Hello, welcome back to Daniel's DIY channel. Today I'm out here in my garden. I'm going to show you guys how to fill this 14-inch deep raised bed. I'm going to show you how to fill it without spending a whole lot of money with a lot of stuff you might have in your backyard already. Hope you enjoy the video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe. So we're just going to start with just a open raised bed here, just grass on the bottom. I'm not going to put anything down because I want to have worms and stuff come up from the ground over time. So we'll start with it just bare ground. We're going to start with the first layer, just fill it up with some sticks and logs. I'm going to do about 1/3 of the bottom, or 1/3 of the volume here, and just limbs and sticks. So that's going to fill up a lot of the raised bed, and over time those sticks will break down and worms and stuff will come up and eat them, and that'll just help enhance the soil over time. It'll help with draining as well. Alright, and then we got another layer. This is just, I dethatched my lawn, and this is all just stuff I got from that. You can see there's just some pine needles, dead grass and stuff I got out of the lawn. This is all going to be really good nutrients that'll break down over time in the soil there. As you're laying it down, you just want to make sure you kind of push down and make sure it gets down and around the wood. If not, it'll just kind of sit on top, and over time you'll have the soil kind of tend to sink down. So make sure it's nice and filled up inside the branches and everywhere. And then the last layer, this you don't have to do, but I find it adds some nutrients to the soil. Just a layer of manure. I use horse manure, but you can use really any kind of manure from any farm animals like horses, cows, chickens, that sort of thing. Yeah, it's pretty easy to find. I don't have any horses here, but I just posted on Facebook asking if anybody had any, and had a bunch of responses saying, yeah, come and take it. So I took my wheelbarrow over there and just filled it up. And yeah, so right before the soil layer, so make sure it's at least 6 inches down still, that way you're not overpowering the plants. You don't want to burn the roots, and you don't want any seeds that might be in the manure to sprout up. But if it's 6 inches down, you won't have any issues. There you have it, all finished. Just a high quality raised bed mix, or you can use compost. Anything that's ready to plant in, you just want that top 6 inches. I like to leave a little bit of room on top for a couple of reasons. Here in Montana it gets really windy, so I just want kind of a little bit of wind protection when the plants are small and getting started. Also, year after year, you're going to want to kind of add some new compost or potting mix to the top layer and kind of mix it in. So over time it'll kind of get higher and higher. So when you're just starting out, I recommend leaving a couple inches at least right on the top. This is the soil I use on top, but you can use whatever you like. I like to try to keep everything organic in my garden. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Keep on doing it yourself.